Hey guys, what's up? This is Theo here. Welcome back to lesson 4 here on Free Code Camp. JavaScript algorithms and data structures, certification, basic JavaScript. So we'll be starting with finding a remainder in JavaScript. So the remainder operator is this modulus. It gives you the remainder of the division of two numbers. So if we do 5 divided by 2, 5 modulus 2, we're going to get 1 because 5 divided by 2 is going to give us back 2 with a remainder of 1, right? So that's the quotient for that. 2 times 2, 4, 5 minus 4, 1 is our remainder, so that's the modulus. Cool. And then in mathematics, number can be checked to be even or odd. This is what you'll find yourself using a lot, right? If the division of the number, by checking the remainder of the division of the number, so 17 modulus 2 is 1, so this is odd. And if there isn't a remainder, we know it's even because it's dividing evenly into itself. That's why it's even. Okay, so the remainder should be initialized, and it should be 2. Value remainder should be 2. Okay, so we can just do this example that they used right up here. We could do, let's see. Let me just try. Let's try a few. We'll do. Let me see. Oh, sorry. It just says which one to do. Set remainder equal to the remainder of 11 divided by 3. 11 divided by 3, so we'll see that 3 goes into 11 3 times. And sorry, I need to do initialize that right there. Let's go ahead and run this. Good to go. All right, next one, compound assignment with augmented addition. So convert the assignments for A, B, and C to use the plus equals operator. So this is the same as doing A equals A plus, right? So we'll just change out these. So we'll just do A plus or equal to 12. B plus or equal to 9, and C plus or equal to 7. Then I'll just clean this up a little bit. Go ahead and run that. Good to go. Compound assignment with augmented subtraction, same sort of thing. I'm just going to demonstrate it up here. A minus equals 6, B minus equals 15, C minus equals 1. Take that, clean that up. 3, good to go. Or on number 4, same thing with multiplication. So A times equals 5, B times equals 3, C times equals 10. Clean that up a little bit more. Number 4, and finally number 5 on division. So convert the assignments to use the, so we just need to do this right here. We'll just do A equals 12, B divisible quotient 4, and then C 11. Cool. Let's go ahead and run that. Good to go. So that's it, guys, for lesson 4. Next up, we'll be starting with declaring string variables in lesson 5. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Check out the comment or the description box for my course on React and JavaScript if you're interested. Help you get a job, help you learn modern code in 2019, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.